This is the Human Operating System Lab, where we learn how humans work, so we can build better lives, make better decisions, and help the people around us do the same. This is State Lesson 10, State Reset Techniques. What do you do when your state changes and you do not want to stay there? Because eventually everyone gets knocked off baseline. You become stressed, overwhelmed, distracted, irritable, exhausted, anxious, or emotionally reactive. This is normal. State is dynamic. It is constantly changing. The goal was never to remain perfectly regulated. The goal is to return. The goal is recovery. Because resilience is not about never leaving baseline. Resilience is about how quickly you can come back. Many people unknowingly live inside disrupted states, not because something is wrong with them, but because they never learned how to reset. They simply wait. Wait for motivation. Wait for time. Wait to feel better. Wait for life to calm down. But state does not reset itself. State responds to intervention. Today, we are going to build a reset protocol, not a collection of life hacks. A system. 5 levers. 5 ways to intentionally influence your state. Because when your state changes, you need somewhere to begin. Reset lever 1. Physiology. Alter your physical position. Stand up, walk, stretch, reset your posture. State is anchored within physiology. The body is often the fastest access point into your state. Physical movement interrupts the momentum of a runaway biological loop. Sometimes the solution is not another thought. Sometimes the solution is movement. Reset lever 2. Breathing. Slow the breath. Lengthen the exhale. Breathe through the nose. Create rhythm. Breathing is communication. It tells your nervous system whether danger is present. Even 60 seconds can begin changing your state. Reset lever 3. Attention. Where attention goes, biological energy follows. Ask yourself, what am I currently paying attention to? What loop am I trapped inside? Sometimes the mind is replaying a problem that no longer requires solving. Interrupt the loop, redirect attention, look outward, look at something far away. Observe your environment. Attention acts as your primary cognitive filter. Direct it intentionally. Reset lever 4. Environment. Your surroundings influence your state. Light, noise, temperature, clutter, screens, people. You do not exist separate from your environment. You are constantly interacting with it. Open a window, step outside, reduce noise, change rooms, seek nature. Small environmental changes can create significant state changes. Reset lever 5. Meaning. Ask yourself, what story am I telling myself right now? Because events do not directly create states. Interpretations do. Sometimes we mistake temporary discomfort for permanent failure. Sometimes we interpret uncertainty as danger. Sometimes we catastrophize. Pause. Question the story. Move from emotion to information. Instead of, everything is collapsing, isolate the raw metrics. What are the objective facts of this exact micro moment? Meaning shape state. Now combine these together. This becomes your state reset protocol. Step 1. Pause. Step 2. Alter physiology. Step 3. Slow your breathing. Step 4. Redirect your attention. Step 5. Change your environment. Step 6. Question your interpretation. You do not have to perform every step every time. You simply need an entry point. Eventually, this process becomes automatic. Over time, your recovery speed increases. This is resilience, not eliminating difficult states, but shortening their duration. The human operating system was never designed to remain perfectly balanced. It was designed to adapt. And adaptation requires recovery. This week, build your own state reset menu. Choose 2 actions for each category. 2 physiological resets, 2 breathing resets, 2 attention resets, 2 environmental resets, and 2 meaning resets. Build the menu before you need it, because when your state changes, clarity often disappears. Preparation restores clarity. In our next lesson, we will explore something state influences every single day: communication. Because people do not simply communicate with words. They communicate through state, an understanding that changes everything. This is the Human Operating System Lab. Understand the system, influence the system, become more human.